This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by sorting and selecting a suitable net. Do that now. Place delicates, lingerie, and small accessories in a small mesh bag and heavier knits in a larger bag to avoid crowding. Once done, zip or fasten the bag. Make sure metal parts are covered or taped to prevent snagging. You're protecting fibers and reducing tangling, which saves wear. Load the bag so garments lie flat and breathe. Don't overfill past roughly 75% capacity to let water and detergent circulate properly. Place the filled net into the machine with similar weight items to maintain balance. Do not mix heavy towels with lingerie. Select a gentle or delicate cycle and set water temperature according to care labels: cold for bright colors, warm for light soil. Measure a mild detergent and use about half the usual amount for delicate loads because nets restrict detergent distribution slightly. Once set, start the wash. Make sure the bag zipper is closed and positioned away from the agitator to reduce friction and prevent tears during the spin. When the cycle finishes, remove the net promptly to reduce wrinkles and distortion. For knits and lingerie, lay flat to air dry and reshape while damp. For sturdier items, use tumble dry low if the label permits. Make sure to unzip and inspect each piece before storing. Nets can hide snags. If you notice snagging or broken seams, stop using that net. Repair or replace it and rewash damaged garments separately on a gentle cycle. Also check zippers and remove caught threads to prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.